Yo, what up? This is Sanity, back with another unboxing video for my second channel, Sysbot channel. And today we're gonna unbox this thing here. Holy crap! I actually bought two of these. My gosh! But I will only unbox one because they're the same thing. So far, my biggest investment for my crypto mining rigs. The biggest investment as of right now. Oh, and today is technically now it's the second day of Chinese New Year. Happy Chinese New Year to those who celebrate this, who are Chinese. Alright, so let's get into it. So this is the Zotac Gaming Twin Edge OC Edition GeForce RTX 3070, 8 gig of RAM, GDDR6, freeze tech. Yeah, sometimes I don't really know what these mean, but the fan stop when GPU is idle. Advanced GPU cooling. GPU tune and monitor with intelligence. Yeah, it's got all these Nvidia, GeForce Experience, Nvidia DLSS, Microsoft DirectX, PCI Express Gen 4, 3rd Gen Tensor cores, 2nd Gen Ray Tracing cores. I don't know, a lot of these, HDMI out. Game ready driver, GPU boost, blah blah, VR ready, blah 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 blah. It's brand new. The box is sealed. It's got the sticker here, and yeah, on both sides. It's brand new. I bought it for around how much is it? 6,300 Hong Kong dollars. So that's about what? Let's do some math here. It's about 820 bucks USD for one, yeah. Due to the current situation, cryptocurrency is crazy. Ethereum passed 1800 this week. Now it's a bit below 1800 USD. So people are buying these to mine, including myself. Mining is very profitable lately due to the price increase, drastic increase of the Ethereum, Bitcoin, all the cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's open this thing. And this thing can pump out at least 60 mega hash per second. Yeah, which is about like 40 something Hong Kong dollars a day, something like that. Okay, open the seal. Yeah, I already have one 3070. If you guys saw my previous video, that's from another brand, Chinese brand, colorful. No idea what that brand was, but today this brand I think everyone knows. If you're into gaming, you would know this brand, Zotac. It's actually a Hong Kong company, and they're very successful worldwide now, making these gaming mini PCs and then GPUs. That's their main business. Very cool box, very nice. I like it. Ooh, look at that. Get amplified. Woo. Very nice unboxing experience here. What is that? I have no idea what that is actually. Oh, that's just the instruction manual, whatever. Oh. Oh, the world first VR backpack. Damn, they have a VR backpack. I didn't even know that. The mini creative studio design for creators. Oh, so this is like a mini catalog. they're mini PCs. Yeah, little catalog for the mini PCs. It's very cool. Yeah, they're gaming PCs. Good stuff. Yeah, I've never bought a gaming, well, a pre-built gaming PC before. Like, I mean, like a branded one. I've never bought one before. I have a gaming laptop, which is right here. You can see the Razer. Well, I did buy a used desktop tower, and I modified it. I'll show you guys in a bit. Sticker right here. All right. Sorry. As you guys know, I'm not a professional unboxing YouTuber, so please don't mind my yeah, unprofessional amateur video, okay? Okay, let me put this back into the thingy. Alright. Yeah. Alright, here comes the juicy part. Okay, well, and then there's a sleeve right here. Let me lift that up. Very nice thick foam. Protect the GPU, of course. Okay. The power cables, 8-pin connectors. Comes with 2 of them. Just in case if you don't have any with your power supply. Usually your power supply will come with these. Yeah. And here comes the juicy part. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Twin fan. Ooh. Okay, we got the HDMI out. And then the digital display ports. 3 of them, PCI slot. Okay, simple design. It's got their Zotac gaming logo, GeForce RTX. Okay, it's got the backplate that protects the PCB. I like that. Some of my other GPUs, the older ones, don't have this backplate to protect the PCB. And you guys can see the serial number, blah blah blah. The heat sink. Oops. Yeah, you see the piping, the cooling. Wow, elegant, simple design. I like it. Looks cool. Looks better than the the one I had before. The what's it called? The colorful one. That one has 3 fans. This one has only 2 fans, and it's slimmer. I think it should fit better into my rig. Now I'll show you right now. Alright, so now recording from my iPhone. I'm going to show you guys my rigs. Alright. And here's the PC, the GPU I just unboxed. It's right here. And check this out. This is one of the rigs that I'm going to put that 3070 into. Okay. And here's another rig. I think you guys seen this before. I recently changed the fans in this rig. See, it's already got a Zotac GPU in there. There's another GPU in there. These are, this one is a 1660 and that Ti, and that's a 1070. I changed the fans in this one, so it's a lot quieter now. Still loud, but a lot better than before. And here's the cool one, the cool desktop. It's got the really cool RGB fans. I actually bought a used tower right there, as you guys can see, and I I took out the motherboard from that old tower over there and put the motherboard into this one and gave him a new tower and a new power supply, 1000 watts. So the colorful 3070 is in there now with another 1070 Zotac, which I'm going to transfer over to one of these rigs, and I'm going to put one of the Zotac 3070 into this one, and the other 3070 would probably go into this one. Yeah, it's really cool, man. Check out the fans. Check it out. Yeah, so stay tuned for my next video after I install this stuff, and I'll take one video showing everything installed, and I'm gonna show you guys how much mega hash is gonna run. I'm hoping to mine at least 1 Ethereum per month with this setup. I think it could reach that. Yeah, 1 Ethereum a month. So please stay tuned for my next video after I get everything installed. It's all set up, and I'll show you guys some of the numbers after that. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and check out the links in the description below. If you don't have a crypto wallet, please use the Coinbase link down there, and Kudo Miner and BlockFi. Check out those affiliate links, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification, and stay tuned for my next video. Alright, thank you, peace out.